Hello, welcome. In this video we will learn how to play two finger chords. And the reason why we're only learning two is because I really want you to review the ones from the previous video, add this one, and that way you will have that many more chords that you've memorized. Also, there is a trick to getting two finger chords to sound right, so I want to focus on getting those two right. If you're participating in the 30-day ukulele challenge, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and dropping a comment down below. Okay, let's get started. The trick to getting two finger chords to sound right is in the curving of your hand. You're gonna feel like you're making a claw with your chord hand, and that's okay. The reason why a lot of beginners don't get two finger chords right is because the hands are flat and they're muting the strings. The string can't vibrate or ring if you have a finger holding it. So first let's focus on A because that one will be easier. So I'm going to put my index finger on the first fret here, middle finger on the second fret here. And now you'll notice that my hand is really curved, house for the mouse, not touching the next two strings over. Also be very careful that your middle fingernail isn't showing like that because you'll mute the next string over. Give it tip, very fingertip right there, okay? Now, putting the fingers down isn't enough. That's not completely pleasant because you have to use the thumb on the back to squeeze. And you'll notice the tension in my hand here when I'm squeezing. So, I'm going to go to the front and I'm going to squeeze. Test it by picking that string. The next one too. And test the next strings. If you have something like this, that means that you are not curving enough, you're touching. So bring the thumb down, curve, and leave that space. Now squeeze and try that again. Now use your index fingernail and glide down. Don't press hard, don't do this. That's not a pleasant ukulele sound. We want to glide down. Glide. Relax the hand. Think of it as a sleepy hand. Okay, now freeze. The middle finger is going to stay where it's at, and the index finger is just going to drop down one string. Okay, look up real quick. Look. Notice how the middle finger is only touching that string, and then this next string over is not being touched by anything. So we have touch, nothing, touch, nothing. If your hand looks like this, you're gonna mute. Get the tips of your fingers. Use the thumb on the back. Curve and test each string. My hair is muting it. Let me move my hair back. Now it can ring. So let's play 4 Fs. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, this time I want you to listen to the sound that you're making and ask yourself, am I making a pleasant sound or am I just being very rough with it? Am I just doing this? Or can I make it sound musical and beautiful? So try again. 1, 2, ready, go. Now go to A. The index finger moves closer to your face, one string. Here we go. 1, 2, A, go. Now let's review the one finger chords that we had learned, and then we'll add these to the collection. So let's go to C with the ring finger. 1, 2, ready, go. C major 7. 1, 2, ready, go. C7, 1, 2, ready, go. A minor, 2, ready, go. A minor 7, 1, 2, ready, go. A, 2, ready, go. F, 1, 2, ready, go. Your homework for today is to review the chords from yesterday and to add the chords from today. Get really nice ringing strings, ringing notes on every single string, and to work on your strum. Instead of just kind of making a sound, I want you to try and make it musical, try and make it pleasant, try and make it something that you enjoy to hear. If you are recording your progress and sharing it on social media, make sure and use the hashtag so that I can see it. And you can follow me on Instagram if you want to tag me on any of these posts. Alrighty, I'll see you on the next one. Sayonara!